Welcome to Sparks Parts, where genuine OEM Toyota parts ship straight from our dealership to your door. These are the 2013 to 2015 Toyota RAV4 front and rear splash guard mud flaps, a complete set designed to protect your SUV from road spray, mud, and debris on every drive. Here's a closer look at the contoured shape, factory finish, and mounting points. This set fits 2013, 2014, and 2015 Toyota RAV4 models, including the LE, XLE, and limited trims. Your 2013 to 2015 RAV4's front and rear splash guard mud flaps shield your paint and lower body panels from rocks, salt, and road debris kicked up by all four tires. Skipping them means chipped paint, rust spots along your rocker panels, and resale value bleeding away every mile. Genuine Toyota OEM flaps are contoured exactly to your RAV4's wheel wells, mount with factory hardware, and won't sag or rattle like universal aftermarket kits. Browse our full catalog of genuine OEM Toyota parts, all backed by the factory warranty, a fitment guarantee, and fast shipping right to your driveway. Not sure if this part fits your RAV4? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm the exact right part for your vehicle. You'll find your VIN on the dashboard near the windshield, inside the driver's door jamb, or on your registration card, 17 digits that identify your exact vehicle. Shop with Sparks Parts for genuine OEM every time. Don't settle for aftermarket.